HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art!
Hey kids, can you guess what we are going to do today? That's right, we are going to draw a puppet unicorn. First, let's draw the unicorn. Great job! Next, let's draw some lines over it. Nice! Now, let's draw some circles just like this. Keep drawing those circles. There you go! Time to draw an outline. Watch and learn. Now, do you know what time it is? It's painting time. Let's paint it red. Let's start with the top. Let's continue with the second space. Good job! Now let's use orange. And now, yellow. Keep going. We're almost done. Let's use green. And some cool blue. Now finally, purple. Woohoo! Great job! It looks so good. Thanks for watching. See you all next time. Hi kids! Look at this wonderful Rubik's Cube. Let's start drawing. Start with the outline and then make a hexagon-like shape. Now we create the small squares. Slowly and steadily. There will be a total of 9 squares on each side. Keep going. Amazing! It's time to darken the border. Let's paint! Begin with blue. Woohoo! Then green on the square, right there. Orange next to it. You got it. Now red. And then yellow. And now white. Fill the remaining sides with similar colors. This looks so colorful! Keep painting! Good job! We're almost done. There we go! We are done coloring our glitter Rubik's Cube. Great job, kids! See you next time! Hi, kids! Look at this lovely butterfly. Don't we all love to watch the little butterflies flutter by? Let's start with the outline. First, the left wing. And then, the right one. It's time to draw the two cute antennae now. Now let's draw designs on the wings. You can draw any kind of design that you like. Time for the left wing. Just make sure it's symmetrical. Keep going, slow and steady. Ooh, beautiful! Time to paint. Let's start with sparkling yellow color. Slowly paint it from the antennae all the way down to the body. Very nice! Use the same yellow color on the wings too. Let's switch to sparkling red now. Carefully paint it through. Keep painting. Do you want to try some sparkling green? Yes! Green complements red. Don't they look so good together? And it goes great with sparkling yellow too. Sparkling blue color time. This looks beautiful. Now, let's use pink. It already looks so pretty. And finally, purple. We're almost done. Use sparkling aqua blue for the top sides of the wings. And last but not the least, magenta. Majestic, isn't it? Ready to flutter by with our glitter butterfly. Bye-bye.
Hey kids, how are you today? Would you like to draw a caterpillar? Brilliant! Starting with a nice squiggly line. And then all you need to do is draw loads of circles. A big one for the head first of all. Some smaller oval shapes for the eyes, eyebrows, antennae of course. Little baby circles there, a smiley face. And now the body. Some legs. And some small circles inside each of the bigger circles for the body. And we're done, ready to paint. Ooh, what colour shall we do first? Yellow! What a great idea! Yellow spots and a yellow bottom. Let's do the face yellow too. Using a small tipped paintbrush, carefully painting around the features. Staying in between the black lines. Have you ever seen a real caterpillar in your garden? I love them, don't you? Fantastic, nearly there. Just around the mouth. Side to side, small strokes. Up and down. And we're done. Well done. Time for some pink for our mouth. And a red tongue. Yippee! Right, let's paint the body. Let's go for pink first. The first segment can be pink. It matches the mouth, you know. And the antennae, why not? Then green. Wow, what a bright colour that is. It really stands out. What colour should we do next? How about red? What a great idea. Do you have a favourite colour? I bet you've never seen a rainbow caterpillar like this one before. Blue neck. Lovely. And for the last segment, we can do purple. Brilliant. It's my favourite colour. Excellent. And we're done. Say hello to your gorgeous rainbow caterpillar. Doesn't he look lovely?